Hi, this is Josh with Tekamo News, and today we're here to talk about how SMS Equipment has partnered with Keyano College to train the future heavy-duty technicians in Alberta. The Heavy Equipment Technician Pre-Employment Program Partnership is an active effort to achieve the overall goal of creating a sustainable, robust apprenticeship program. So SMS is sponsoring 18 students to train as heavy equipment technicians, mainly for the oil sands. This is similar programs to what we have out here, but this is SMS sponsoring and helping train their future technicians. The programs we have in BC are more general based, whereas this program will be specified to Komatsu equipment, which will be huge for the oil sands guys because they're having trouble finding good people. If you're an apprentice mechanic, the best thing you can do is find a Red Seal mechanic to train under, learn, soak up as much knowledge as possible, and then get your schooling done. I'll be quite interested to see if any of the other companies follow suit, or if they even offer it in BC or Saskatchewan. The program is launched and will run for the remainder of 2022. SMS and Keyano expect to add a cohort of candidates to the program in 2023. If you're in Alberta and you're interested in this, reach out to SMS or Keyano College and see how they can help. It is good to see a company like SMS look at the labor shortage and try to find a solution. Props to SMS Equipment and Keyano College. This is a good step forward. To stay up to date with industry news, please subscribe to Tekamo News. And if you have any questions, email me at joshd@tekamohd.com. And dab on them. Boy! If you have any questions, or if you just want to, I'm single. No.